how to remove this, then we put this in.
Yep, do you want to do that now?
We do it now, yeah.
Oh, no, I'm good. Yeah, it'll lift it. You might be able to do it with that.
要不把动一下，用切进去。
We'll see. Just give it a test. Yeah, just use the jack actually. That'll do. Have you got Imperial stains? Imperial stains. 3.8.
This.
Oh, yep. Have you got 3.8? That's Imperial, half inch and 3.8.
No English size. Maybe we check with this.
That's right. I'll just use a shifter. This will.
Without, we can 放到。Yeah. Oh, sorry. What's this for?
For droop.
Droop.
Droop. Yep. So when you lift the wheels, how far it lets it drop.
Yeah.
So when I undo it, you'll be able to see. Because it puts preload on the suspension. Okay. So basically that is just hitting onto here. Yeah. So as I undo that, the wheels will drop.
But it's not for adjust?
Because yeah, that just preloads up here. So I always undo that, but count that. And then that had a lot of preload. Yep, so now lift up good.
Yeah, be careful this. Yeah.
Non-magnetic. I always get these stuck in here.
No.
就一个吗？
两个。
两个都
You got a pick, like a seal pick.
这玩意儿问题什么时候需要加，什么时候需要拿，这个问题主要的问题。
800. I think we usually use 900.
900. So what's the saturation when you use this?
Yep. So then, yeah. So we need to pull this off. Have you got a vise?
那个，对。对。
Didn't we? Oh yeah. That was good. They're not usually super tight. So then there they're press fit, so usually.
Okay. So if you're pushing this, how to put off?
So then you pull this whole ring off, and you can push it from the back.
哦，要把那整个拆。
Because did you want to put this kit in?
Yeah.
We'll just because we don't. Once it's in, we usually leave it. But did you want to do? Because then I've got stuff to do the rear as well, so we do that all round, so we can set all the gaps.
Okay.
Because did you want to match this car to our setup?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For sure.
Have you got a hard hammer and a?
那个大的榔头。OK，
Too big.
太大了。10。
不行不行，精细。
Yeah. Perfect. So yeah, that's flush.
So this is for protect the shock.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And just a good surface for that to
Okay.
bite into, because if that was in there, it'd get squished and then pinch.
Yeah.
So then that goes on. And then do you have retaining compound? So like green Loctite?
Yeah. For lock this.
Because that goes onto there, but it's not quite tight.
就搞什么要
If you don't, it's no biggie. Do you want to hold that for us?
Normally, how much this put in the shop?
Yep, so that sits up in there. So usually I
One
retainer.
of these, and the middle.
Yeah, and then once
The
it's on
softer
the
in the
ground with the driver in, we set the gap. So I think from memory the gap is 2mm.
Okay. No need to put this.
Sometimes it all depends, just if it's slightly different and the weight of the driver and all of that.
Oh.
So lighter the driver is and lighter the car, more gap there's going to be. So you want to hold that? Do you have any other springs?
I don't.
没有
No, I don't.
Because usually we have a 900 pound.
900.
So this is 800. I'll double check, but I'm pretty sure we usually have 900 and 1,000.
Okay. That means it's too soft.
Yeah. So I think that's why they put so much preload into it,
Okay.
just to try and compensate.
这个正常他们是用900的，800这个太那个。
哦，这是尾巴。
Go fishing again.
看到了吗？
Nah, because it needs to go the opposite way. Where's that?
这锤子，关键是赢。
So
How long for this spring space?
I set it on preload, so I've just set it back to where it was, 10 turns. So from 0.
So it depends on the truck, right?
Yep. So yeah, when I'm going to set down, I'll do the 2 rear ones as well to the same setup. When I do the setup, we'll set that. So it'll be at 0. So when all the body panels are on, we'll get the driver in. And then with the driver in, you set that to just touch and then lock it up there. Because then when you lift the car...
And after the setup, just turn this to touch.
Just touch and lock it up. Because then that means when the car's lifted, the wheels will drop straight away. Stay, sorry. So it'll just, the wheels won't stay, won't move when the car's lifted.
Then after setup, move to this, just touch and lock.
Yep. Because it means just sitting there with everything there, with driver in, that distance won't change when the car goes up.
Yes. So maybe we do it the software training in the afternoon. Then maybe you have some contact with Australia.
Yeah, I'll deal with some of them.
Yeah, okay. So in the lunchtime, we go truck walk. Maybe we'll make the setup, the software training in this afternoon.
That's it for today's video. If you're interested in professional maintenance and modification for Wolf Racing cars, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Feel free to leave a comment and share your thoughts with us. See you in the next video.